Our short phrase and sentence for you today is Mechie onoge. Mechie onoge, which means shut up your mouth. Mechie onoge. And if you say this to me, my likely response will be Makagene. Makagene, which means for what? Or simply why? Makagene, why? You will observe that we use colors to identify the individual meaning of each word that makes up the phrase or sentence. Take note of that as you practice this, and go ahead to practice this with anyone around you. But remember, this can be insultive, so manage your word properly. Let it be a joke so that no one will pick offense as you practice this with anybody around you. Tell the person Mechiono and expect a response like Makagene. And as you do, please remember, it's important that you subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you don't miss our next upload. Also, like and comment so that you can help others to discover this and equip us to serve you better. God bless you.